Highlight Plant is a critical tool in your planting design arsenal. With it, you can easily locate plants or troubleshoot issues throughout your design, saving a lot of time on a daily basis. Here's some of the top ways you can start using this today. Here's the kind of problem where Highlight Plant can help. This plant keeps showing up in my schedule, even though I am sure I deleted every instance from my plan. You can use Highlight to see where all the plants of one species are in your plan. One way is to select a species from the Plant Manager and click Highlight. They'll show up in yellow around your design, and we can now see that we have a stray symbol accidentally placed really far away. This works for concept plants too. Another way to use the Highlight tool is from the FX Planting ribbon. Select any Land Effects plant symbol, block, or hatch, and all others highlight. You have more options after highlighting too. With plants highlighted, tap A to choose between a few shared attributes, and all plants sharing that attribute will highlight as well. In this case, I'm grabbing all my plants listed with low water use. You can see how many there are in the command line. You can also tap S to select all of the highlighted plants and do whatever you want with them. I'm going to move them all to a low water used layer that I can now easily freeze or isolate while I'm designing my site. Do you need to separate out a planting plan into trees and shrubs so multiple people can work on it? Run a Save As on the drawing, rename the two drawings, then in each, select all trees or all shrubs through Highlight to delete them. Then use our cross-referencing power tip to link them back together again. Two people can now work all at once. You can also use Highlight on a label to see everything that it's labeling. This is great for error checking after running Verify labels. How about this scenario? You want to create a plan showing the client where all the large, expensive palms are, or a public meeting plan that emphasizes either just the large shade trees or just the screening coniferous trees. Use what you've learned about Plant Highlight. We'll first highlight one palm, then add all big palms of that size. Select them and move them to a palm layer. Colorize the plan, then freeze the palms. Land Effects tools will ignore trees on frozen layers. Turn off color for all other plants, and we'll run plant outlines to get the look that we want. Unfreeze the palm layer, and you've got the perfect graphic that you're looking for right before you run out the door for the meeting. It's simple tools like this that can save you hours every week. Try it out today.